Hi guys, today we are going to be making a gluten-free regular cake. It's a pool themed cake. So let's get started. This is the sticky tape. This is the cake board. It's a 9-inch cake. It's a 9-inch short cake. So diameter wise it's 9-inch and it has 2 layers of cake. They wanted chocolate and vanilla. So one layer is going to be chocolate and the other layer is going to be vanilla. Okay, here we have our buttercream. I've just dyed it blue. Consistency is fine. I'm gonna load it into a piping bag. As you can see, the consistency is not too thick and it's kind of jiggly. We are going to use this buttercream for inside and outside. I think I'm going to make 3 layers. So it will be too short. Plus. So we have 1 layer of cake. So you just make a border. So that gives you the thickness of how much frosting you're going to put inside, and then you fill it up with frosting inside, and then you just merge the center frosting to the border. So in case you're falling short, you just add a little bit, and that's it. Second layer, and I'm actually going to add 1 more layer on top of this. A second layer. So first I'm going to finish the top. Put buttercream on the side. The point about this design is that we need some extra buttercream on the side. I think I'll just add it, yeah, it's looking too short. Plus it's not going to have a border or anything. So I'm just going to add another layer of cake on top of it. I have just roughly smoothened this on the side. Now I'm going to take this comb and just going to everything is pretty smooth. Just have to add a little extra buttercream in some places. It's a little bit weird because she chose blue color for the pool and blue color for the water and pool and everything. But it's okay. Anywhere I see any irregularities, I'm just going to fill it up with buttercream. Then with a light hand, not pushing too much into the cake, light hand, I'm just going to go over it. Again. So for this effect, I just put little extra buttercream. Okay, that's the pool. Now for the top, first of all, I'm going to take this inside. Nice and uniform. You slide it in. Keep this is flat. You just put it at an angle and slide it in. Okay, you just need a flat ledge. Then what you're going to do is you're going to make a little hole in the middle. So how would you do that? You would keep some extra space, dig your knife inside the palette knife and just move it. That create a little bit of a ledge. I'm just flattening it out. Just keep less buttercream on top. Flatten the whole thing out. Okay. After this, okay, once this is done, you have a ledge on top, you have a ledge on the bottom. You just keep this and clean the base. I'm gonna keep some blue. To this blue I added a little bit of green and I made it little runny. I'm gonna mix the in to make it bluish green, which is the pool color. Okay, so this is the pool blue color. Pool. Go around the pool, clean spatula, just smoothen the whole. Out a little bit. Just going to take it and just put it in like kind of wave kind of things. Maybe have like have a little water splash outside, a little bit of this, a little bit of white. I'm going to take some red. This tip into the red. I'm going to make a floaty. So I'm going to use this small writing tip. Gonna put some yellow in it. border. You just start from one point and you just go round and round. This looks super cool.
Yeah.
It actually looks like a
Yeah,
pool
it looks
now.
realistic.
I'm just going to roughly mark the size of my floaty somewhere between here and here, so then I don't go overboard. And you just between the floaties. Oh, you should put the umbrella next to this one, no?